Hello, friends. In today's video, I'll show you how to buy Snapchat tokens easily. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone and go to your profile by tapping on the top left corner. Scroll down and look for the Snap Tokens option. Tap on it. Now select the number of tokens you want to purchase. You'll be redirected to the payment screen. Choose your preferred payment method like a debit card, credit card, or Google Play balance, confirm your purchase, and once the payment is successful, the tokens will be added to your account. That's it. You're ready to use your tokens. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.